Hello, today we will guide you through how to change Webull margin account to cash account. In this walkthrough, we'll move through the app step by step so you can switch from a margin setup to using your cash account. Before we begin, a quick note on what's changing. A margin account lets you borrow funds to trade, while a cash account uses only settled cash. After you switch, buying power and settlement rules will reflect cash-only trading, which can help simplify risk and avoid margin interest. Start by opening the Webull app on your device and signing in as you normally do. Give the home screen a moment to load and make sure you have a stable internet connection so each menu opens smoothly. At the bottom of the screen, tap the menu icon. This is your hub for tools, profile options, and account controls. In the menu area, find the Shortcuts section. Tap the three dots under Shortcuts to expand the full list. This reveals additional items that aren't shown by default. Now scroll all the way to the bottom of this expanded view so you can see the management options related to your profile and accounts. When you reach the end, tap Switch Account. This brings up the account switching interface, where you can choose among accounts linked to your profile. Next, tap All Settings. Heading into Settings ensures you can access every account-related control in one place. Once you're inside, scroll down to the bottom of the Settings list. You'll see Switch Account again here. Tap Switch Account to open the account selector with all available actions visible. From this screen, tap Add Account. You're now ready to connect your cash account. Enter your login details for the cash account carefully and privately. If your device or the app prompts you for any additional verification, complete it to continue securely. When the login completes, your cash account will be added to the selector, and you can switch to it from the same Switch Account screen. To confirm the change, look for the account label or type shown near your balances or in the account selector. It should indicate that you're in the cash account. Remember that with a cash account, orders draw from settled funds and features tied to margin, like borrowing or certain types of leverage, won't apply. If you have recent trades, keep settlement timing in mind before placing new orders. That's it. You've successfully navigated the menu, expanded shortcuts, accessed settings, and switched to your cash account. Thanks for following along, and take a moment to double check you're in the correct account before placing your next trade.